Good morning, students. This is the lesson of class 8 for the subject of geography topic human migration, which is covered in chapter 3 migration, starting on page number 37 of your textbook and is being submitted to you on 10th of May 2021. Students, human migration is the movement of people from one place to another with the intention of settling permanently or temporarily at a new geographic region. It excludes such movements as nomadism, commuting, and tourism, all of which are transitory in nature. Now, we are going to discuss about the types of migration. So there are three major types of migration, such as forced migration. It refers to the movement of refugees and internally displaced people, as well as people displaced by natural or environmental disasters, chemical or nuclear disasters, famine, or development projects. It is a native form of migration. The African slave trade, which carried millions of Africans and transported them to parts of North America, Latin America, and Middle East, is the largest and the most devastating forced migration in human history. Students, in forced migration, a government or authority forces someone to move. Another example is Jews were deported to concentration camps during the Holocaust, during your Second World War. Now, the second type of migration is voluntary migration. Voluntary migration refers to the movement of people on their free will and initiative. People move maybe because the amenities and facilities of the other place, means the destination place, attracts them. Say, for example, better job opportunities, education, healthcare, sanitation facilities are available in the destination area or destination place. That's why people voluntarily move to the other place. Now, the third type is the reluctant migration. Reluctant migration is a form of migration in which individuals are not forced to move or not has a will to move, but do so because of an unfavorable situation at their current location, as the large wave of Cubans who legally and illegally migrated to the United States following 1959 Cuban Revolution. Fearing a leader, Fidel Castro, as most of the Cuban exiles were not forced to leave but they decided it was in their best interest to do so. Apart from the above three types, we have another type of migration, that is internal migration, that is within any country. So there are movements of individuals and families from one area to another. Say, for example, village to city, people move for better job opportunities or education. Next is international migration. Now, people move from their country of origin to the other country, destination. So, students, these are the three types of migration. Now, this is the question time. So, your questions are: first, what is migration? Number two, name the three types of migration. And number three, define internal migration. So, you may now pause the lesson for 3 minutes. So, now, children, let us discuss their answer. First, the movement of people from one place to another with the intention of settling at a new region or a place is known as migration. The three types of migration are forced migration, voluntary migration, and reluctant migration. And third, movement of individuals within a country is known as internal migration. Now, children, let us continue and discuss about various reasons for migration. Now, to understand the global migration, one has to examine the root cause that drive people to migrate. There are both push and pull factors. Now, push factors mean reasons why people want to leave their home country, whereas pull factor being reasons why people would want to come to a new country. You can refer page number 39 of your textbook for the same. In migration, push and pull factor can be economic, environmental, social, and political. The safety factors can cause danger to individuals, prompting them to migrate. For example, discrimination based on nationality, race, religion, political beliefs prompt people to search for safer living. So, here, safety factors. Second is economic migration, whether permanent or seasonal, is commonly cited reason for migration. It is believed that in this, people move from poorer developing areas into richer areas where wages are higher and more jobs are available. Third is social factors motivating migration grow from human needs and desire to achieve a better quality life. Migrants often move to ensure better opportunities, as sending their child to better and safer school or finding a job with sufficient salary, important benefits, and career growth prospects. So, students, these are all the factors influencing, or the push and pull factors related with the migration of people. So, this is our today's topic. Now your homework is you have to write down the glossary terms given on page number 44 of your textbook in your notebooks. Second, find the answers of fill in the blanks, question number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and write true or false. That is again all the question. And you have to do them in your books only. So with this, I conclude this interactive session. Thank you.